Hello everyone, today we have a 2011 Chevy Silverado. It's a K1500 4x4. This is a clean title trade-in. Runs smooth, so I'll go ahead and take you for a tour. Just had the fog lights and the tow hooks up front. Alloy wheels. Great tires. Fixed running boards. Just have the Z71 package. There's tow package. Bed liner. Also has flex fuel and the LT package. All right, I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. These are fabric seats. Give you a shot of the VIN. The center console right now is flipped down for stowage and a drink holder. That can be flipped up so that we can seat 6. If you come in here, you're going to see that we have 160,615 miles on this vehicle. Here's your push to talk, trailering controls, and we also have an aftermarket stereo. I'll turn that down, but it connects to your phone and AM and FM. Here are your comfort controls, your power supplies, 2- and 4-wheel drive, and your glove compartment. As I mentioned, this will flip up so that it will seat 6. As you come up above, you're going to have your map reading lights. And that about wraps it up for this Chevy. As I mentioned, it is a clean title, local trade-in. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.